This is Dead Curious, where real police footage meets unbelievable true stories. What you're about to see is real, but how does it end? You won't believe it.
What's your emergency?
Hi, my neighbors are yelling. I believe somebody broke into their home. There's a lot of things breaking, and you can hear a lot of loud bangs. They're like yelling pretty loud.
Start with the address, okay?
You just told me someone with a knife that broke into the window. Nobody has a weapon. I don't know what it is. Nobody has something in his hand. Hello? Yes?
Yes. Hello?
Yes. There's a person, we think it's dark. They broke into my friend's house. Nobody has something in his hand.
What does he have in his hand? What does he have in his hand?
It looks like a knife. Look like a knife.
He's not right here.
LA County Sheriff's Department.
He's got scissors?
He's got scissors in here. Hey, drop everything in your hand. Drop everything in your hand. He's at the door right now with scissors in his hand.
He's got scissors in his hand.
Drop everything in your hand now.
Check out. Watch out.
Hey, girl, he's a man at the door with scissors in his hand.
You can see her.
He went to the other door.
What's that on at?
Which door is he at?
He was at this one, but I think he's walking towards the front.
Okay.
Deputies used a public address system in an attempt to convince Rodriguez to leave the home peacefully and release the victim. Deputies could hear a woman's voice when they approached the home.
The LA County Sheriff's Department, if you're inside the house, come out with your hands out now.
With no response from Rodriguez, deputies developed a plan to enter the home and rescue the victim. Using a ballistic shield and less lethal devices, they approached the house and broke a bedroom window to gain access. Deputy number 2 broke the glass, looked inside the home, and saw Rodriguez stabbing the victim. Deputies forced entry and saw Rodriguez in a hallway. Deputy number 3 discharged his service weapon as Rodriguez was stabbing the victim. Deputy number 2 pulled the victim to safety.
Right. And it's this window off to the left, correct?
Yeah. Right 140. You saying already got scissors in the front, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, scissors in town? So scissors. Okay, we're ready to go.
Over. Screaming. He's grabbing her. Get in. He's grabbing her. Take it. Hey, 998. For us.
Come on.
Hey, grab her feet. Hey, someone.
When deputy number 3 entered the home, the victim was screaming for help. Deputy number 3 ran to the sounds and encountered Rodriguez kneeling over the victim in a hallway while stabbing her. Deputy number 3 discharged his service weapon.
Come on. Come here.
He's grabbing her. Get in.
Get in. Go. In. Go. Sheriff's Department!
When deputy number 3 entered the home, the victim was screaming for help. Deputy number 3 ran to the sounds and encountered Rodriguez kneeling over the victim in a hallway while stabbing her. Deputy number 3 discharged his service weapon.
There's for a minute!
Deputies provided medical aid to Rodriguez, including the use of CPR, until the arrival of Los Angeles County Fire Department. Rodriguez was transported to a hospital, where he was later pronounced deceased. Although the victim felt the blade of the knife on her body, it never punctured her. As such, she did not sustain any injuries. No other persons or deputies were injured. As the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department conducts its investigation, investigators and attorneys with the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office conduct their own independent review. That was just one of the disturbing moments captured on real police footage. If you want more true stories like this, hit subscribe and check out the next case waiting for you right now. You've been watching Dead Curious.